Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make watermelon sorbet. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: fresh, ripe watermelon, a bit of sugar, and a squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Make sure your Ninja Creami pint is clean and ready. This refreshing treat is incredibly easy to prepare, perfect for a hot day, and you'll love the vibrant flavor. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Next, let's prepare our mixture. First, cut your watermelon into small, manageable cubes, making sure to remove any seeds. Then, combine the watermelon, sugar, and lime juice in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Carefully pour this vibrant liquid into your Ninja Creami pint, filling it to the max fill line. This step is crucial for a perfect sorbet texture. Now for the freezing process. Place your filled Ninja Creami pint into the freezer, ensuring it sits flat. It needs to freeze for a full 24 hours to achieve the ideal consistency. Once completely frozen, remove the pint and place it into your Ninja Creami machine. Secure the lid and select the sorbet function. The machine will work its magic, transforming the frozen block into a smooth, delightful sorbet. After the cycle finishes, check the consistency. If it's a bit crumbly, simply use the respin function for an even creamier texture. Once perfect, scoop your homemade watermelon sorbet into serving bowls. You can garnish it with a fresh mint sprig or a small lime wedge for an extra touch. This refreshing treat is ready to be enjoyed immediately. It's a fantastic way to cool down.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.